Now what is today is verse number 8 of Surah Baqarah until verse number 20, to 13 verses. The verse number 8 said, وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَا يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. And among the men are those who said, we believe in Allah and in the last day, وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ, and they are not believers. So who are these people? What kind of category of these people? Are they disbeliever? What kind of disbeliever? Are they a kafir who reject the faith? Or are they mushrik who are idol worshipper, associate partners with Allah? Or are they a different kind of disbeliever? What is this category? And among the men who said, we believe in Allah and in the last day, وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ, but they are not believers. So who are this category of people? They said, we believe in Allah and in the last day. And Allah said, وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ, they are not believers. Who are these people? Munafiqin, hypocrites. So those who say that we believe in Allah in the last day, then Allah said they are not believers. It means they are just saying with their words, but inside is different. We learn in Islam, what is in your heart, it must be in your lips, and it must be in your action. So your heart and your face and your action must be same. The next verse Allah said, يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مَا يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ. They deceive Allah and those who believe, and they are not deceiving except their own selves, but they perceive not. So by saying that they are believer, but they are not believer, what they are doing? They are cheating Allah, they are deceiving Allah, and they are deceiving to the believers. And Allah said they are not deceiving, but their own selves. Why? Because they are bringing themselves to hellfire. وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ, and they perceive not. So the first verse is about munafiqin, the hypocrites. The second verse is about munafiqin, the hypocrites. And the third verse, which is verse number 10, فِي قُلُوبِهِمْ مَرَضٌ فَزَادَهُمُ اللَّهُ مَرَضًا. In their heart, a disease. Then Allah increase the disease. In their heart is a disease, then Allah increase the disease. فَزَادَهُمُ اللَّهُ مَرَضًا. Then Allah increase their disease. So what disease they have? The hypocrites, the munafiqin. What disease they have? That Allah said, فِي قُلُوبِهِمْ مَرَضٌ, in their heart is a disease, then Allah increase the disease for them. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ مَا كَانُوا يَكْذِبُونَ. And for them will be the painful punishment because of their rejection of the truth. So what disease they have? Which Allah increased because they like that disease. What the disease they have in their hearts? Hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Not what is their heart, it's in their front. They have a different. The hypocrisy is two kinds. One kind is in the faith, in the belief, and that makes a person disbeliever. The other hypocrisy is a personality. His character. He is not a disbeliever kind of hypocrite, but his personality or his character is like hypocrite. How you can understand? What is it? Why a person's character is like a hypocrite? The signs of the hypocrite, the Prophet said, whenever he speaks the lie. Whenever he promises, he breaks his promise. And whenever you trust him, he betrays you. And one of the signs of the munafiq, he swears too much. Wallahi, I swear to Allah, I swear to Allah. And one of the signs of the munafiq, when he fight with someone, he speaks the bad words. But one of the character of the hypocrite, when he are talking to someone, even though he is angry, but he show the smile on the face. But if you are angry with someone, you should show the anger in your face. What is inside you, it must be in your face. It must be in your action. Some people, they are trying to twist the word to attract the customer to make money. So they are not actually kind or generous, but they just do it because of the money. They want to earn some customer. So they're trying to, but if somebody comes for asking help, they will say, get out, go away. But if somebody thinks that they are coming here to give them some benefit, then they are very kind. You like soft drink, you like coffee, you like this, and they are talking very nicely. So this is like attitude of hypocrisy. But the real hypocrite are those who say we believe in Allah in the last day, but they are not believers. So Allah said, فِي قُلُوبِ مَرَضٌ فَزَادَهُمُ اللَّهُ مَرَضًا. In their heart is a disease, then Allah increased their disease. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ مَا كَانُوا يَكْذِبُونَ. And for them will be the painful punishment because of their rejection of the truth. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُصْلِحُونَ. Another sign of a hypocrite. And when they say to them, do not make the mischief on the earth, they say, we are the reformers. Like they go to the country, they bomb the country, they kill the people, and they say they want to bring democracy, which is actually bringing a destruction to the country. They kill millions of people, and then people ask why you are here, what you're doing here. We are the reformers. We want to bring the peace. What kind of peace? You kill the millions of innocent children and women and old men and the people and the civilians, and you are saying we are the reformers. So like some big powers, they are doing this. They are going into some country and they say we are the reformers. We want to bring a peace, but actually what they are, Allah innahumul mufsiduna walakin la yash'urun. No doubt, surely they are the mufsidun, they are the mischief makers. Walakin la yash'urun, but they perceive not. And so they are different kind of hypocrites also. What is the different attitude of the hypocrites, munafiqin? وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا كَمَا آمَنَ النَّاسُ قَالُوا وَنُؤْمِنُ كَمَا آمَنَ السُّفَهَاءُ وَلَا إِنَّهُمُ السُّفَهَاءُ وَلَكِنْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. And when it is said to them, believe as the people believe, they say, do we believe as the fools believe? No doubt, surely, they are the fools, but they know not. So when people say to believe, then they'll say, why should we believe like a fools? But Allah says, they are the fools, but they know not. وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَىٰ شَيَاطِينِهِمْ قَالُوا إِنَّا مَعَكُمْ إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُسْتَهْزِئُونَ. So another attitude of the hypocrites. And when they meet those who believe, they say, we believe. And when they are alone with their devil ones, they say, we are with you. We were just joking with them. So Allah replied to them, Allah yastahzi'u bihim wa yamuddu fi tughyanihim ya'mahun. And Allah mock upon them and increase them in their rebellion in which they are. أولئك الذين اشتروا ضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين. They are those who purchase the misguidance in exchange with guidance. So their tijara, their trading is not benefiting. وما كانوا مهتدين, and they will not be guided. So continuation about this munafiqin. So the tonight lecture, it could be the lecture of hypocrites. The topic is hypocrites or munafiqin. مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون وكصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين. So Allah is giving the example for them. Their example is like the one who kindled the fire. Then when it's all alighted, illuminated in their surroundings, ذهب الله بنورهم. Then Allah take away their light. وَتَرَكُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ اللَّهِ يُبْصِرُونَ. And then Allah leave them in the darkness. Then they cannot see. So that is example of the hypocrites. Like they kindle the fire and then everything is enlightened. Then Allah take away their light and then leave them in the darkness. So they cannot see. So that is hypocrites. Example Allah give. Summun bukmun umyun fahum la yarji'un. They are deaf, they are dumb, and they are blind. Then they will not return to the right way. أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين. Or another example Allah is giving, or the rain from the sky, in it there is a darkness and there is a thunder and there is a lightning. They put their fingers in their ears with the fear because of the noise of the thunder and because of the fear of the death, because they are afraid. Wallahu muhitum bil kafirin. Allah is surrounding the disbelievers. Yakadu al-barqu yakhtafu absarahum. It is near that the lightning take away their eyesight. Kullama adaa lahum mashaw fihi. Whenever there is a lightning, the lightning in the sky, they walk therein. وَإِذَا أَزْلَمَ عَلَيْهِمْ قَامُوا. And when it's darkness, they stand up still. وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَذَهَبَ بِسَمْعِهِمْ وَأَبْصَارِهِمْ. And if Allah will, take away their hearing and their eyesight. إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. Surely Allah has power over everything.